Just a quick statement. I bought these from Sweden on the eBay from www.spinningstickers.com, and I'll show you the introduction will follow after this, what's inside. Just a little statement here. I'm not being sponsored by this company. I have no shares in this company. I have no involvement in this company. I just bought some stickers from the guy who runs Spinning Stickers, Tobias, and I'm very impressed with the actual quality of the actual stickers. So I'll just state there, if there's any postage problems or little teeny faults on the graphics, not saying there will be, then obviously you contact here, not me. As I say, I'm not part of the company. It's not doing disrespectful, it's just stating the obvious. I'm just doing a video of this graphics on the Hayabusa set of wheels. Okay, just put it out there. Thank you very much. Hi YouTubers, welcome to the channel. Rough Drivers 777 Rough Drivers. This is a Rough Driver production, and I just had my delivery of www.spinningstickers.com, and all parceled up in a nice little package here. And these are for my Hayabusa, so I'll show you what you actually get. These are the actual stickers I'm going to put on, so I'm going to get them out. This is an introduction, what you get actually in the box, to say what you need to do. These are like the instructions and the fitment, so they're quite clear. And these are the steps you've got to take. And they say it goes right through the actual fitment. It's a bit windy out here, must have been not the best place to open up. And obviously it shows you the end of the actual video, or the actual picture shot, but there is a video exactly like this on YouTube, and I obviously believe it's on Instagram as well. But step by step, like I said, I am taking on a full set this time. Last time I done one was 2 half sets, and if you tune into the other video, it's not a fitment, but it's just showing you the ones I fitted before. These are going on another set of wheels for my Hayabusa, and yeah, I'm going to attempt to fit them. So if you don't see the video go up, you know I failed miserably. But yeah, this is the first time I've done these. So this guy obviously is fitting them. It's probably the actual guy that runs the actual show, or the actual firm, Spinning Stickers, or he may be one of his workers, I don't know. But I'm going to have a crack at this. So let's see how it goes. Anyway, I'll show you what you get. I'll just put the camera down. The graphics are very nice. These are Yoshimura wheel rims, full set. Now they're easily marked up because they have right rear. And I suppose I'll give you a spinning stickers there you can put on your bike, or in your car, or your locker, whatever you want to do with that. It's just like an extra. They are papered at the back, so they do peel off. But I won't be doing that yet. This is just an introduction of what you're getting. And again, you've got your left, see, your left side, all marked up. You can't go wrong, and it does say rear. And exactly the same on your front left, front right. They look very nice. And what I'm going to say, I'm going to put them on my spare set of Hayabusa wheels, which are off. Tyres are off. Everything's stripped down. I just need to clean them up. So we go through the clean up process on the actual tyres. Thank you. Oh, welcome back, YouTubers. As you see, I've got the front wheel Hayabusa 17-inch out. There's been previous graphics on here, as you can see down there. It's very filthy. Needs a good clean up. Obviously got to take the weight off. Now, the best way to do these wheels is to take them off your bike. Now, you don't have to take the tyre off, obviously, but because these are in my spare set, the tyre is removed anyway, but I find that's going to be easier for me to work around it. You obviously have to take the weight off and get it reweighted and see if you can get understanding tyre fitter who's got maybe coloured weights to match your graphics, and they're flatter, not this horrible bloody thing. You get flat weights. It should be, or you can paint your own weight, you know, with just a little brush. So mine's going to be white, so I need to paint mine white. But you obviously need weight on your wheels, so obviously so the balancings are right. But there you go. So I've got two sides to clean here. As you can see, I've had alpha graphics on here before, and it's all got to come off. So I'm going to start cleaning this wheel, and I'm using this particular product. I don't own this company again. I don't work for this company, but it's just a product. It's called 115, and it's a brake cleaner, and it obviously dries quite good. But like I say, put spill kits down, wear some gloves when you're doing this, and take your time. I'm going to start cleaning. You can see it's coming along bit by bit. Now I found another little tip. It's rather than spray it on the rim, let it evaporate, spray it into the tissue, it hold in quite a bit more into the paper towel, and then rub it round. Just a little tip. Like I say, there's a weight to come off as well, but it's going to be a bit of a time now cleaning this up, so bear with me. We'll see what the end result is. Cheers, be back soon. Well, they're coming along now, and you can see I'm getting all the bits of glue off, which was from the previous graphics. I'm a bit fortunate, I'm going to say on here, that I've got a spare set of wheels for my bike. Now, if that's your obviously only set of wheels on there, your bike's going to be off the road at least for a few days. And if you take the tyres off, or you keep the tyres on, it's totally up to you. But you're going to have to take the weights off, so you're going to have to get the bike rebalanced. So that's what I'm trying to say. If you've got a spare set of wheels, which I have, then all the pressure's off, because I can ride my bike on the other set of wheels, wait till these are all done and balanced, the tyres back on, and obviously the weighted, that's another thing, obviously, because the weights have got to come off, see, because otherwise you can't put the stickers on, because all the weights will go on the rim, don't they? So yeah, just be aware of that. If you're got your wheels off, don't think you're going to be done in 5 minutes. They're not, because you want to do this properly. You don't want to mess it up, and you want to get every dirty crumb off of your bike, because that will affect you putting these graphics on. I'm telling you, it will affect it. You don't want any bits of crap underneath the graphics, because you see it when you put it down, because it goes down nice and flush. And if you've got something down there like a little teeny, I don't know, stone or some sort of grit, you will see it through the graphics, and it could tear the graphics. So just take your time. So this is not going to be a 5-minute project. Remember that when you start this, you've got to be committed that your bike will be off the road for at least a few days, or even a week. It all depends how long it takes you, especially if you're working. Right, I just thought I'd tell you one more thing. When you've got these wheels off, clean the whole wheel. You might as well, because you know it's no good just cleaning the rims and you've got dirty bloody spokes and up near the rotors there. Keep them clean as well. So do the job properly, okay? Just thought I'd tell you that. Right, as you can see on the rear wheel, I'm cleaning it up now, using a whole paper towel up, and I'm taking off the rear disc, because I want to clean all the way in there. It's coming out quite well. It's a little bit, I had a graphic here, so I just need to get this off. As you can see along, keep spraying this crap on it. And use a cloth. Hang on, just click on. A cloth. Eventually it will come off, but you've got to keep this resisting. Anyway, it's coming up. Nearly finished the back wheel. The other wheels come up really well, nice and clean. Can't complain about that. There's a few sort of scuffs on the side there. The caliper's it, but just moving the caliper. Yeah. Just another thing is when you're putting your wheels back on, make sure you put a bit of padding around your caliper so you don't damage when you're sliding your calipers on. Hit the graphics. Just a tip. Just put a little bit of sponge around the outside. Just tape it on for so it don't, you know, when you slot them on, just don't knock. Right, let's come back a bit later when it's all finished. Right, we're back again. The battery went on the camera, so I hope you can see. I'm just trying to peel this back off and get the edge. This time, I'm doing a little bit different this time. Just trying to chase this edge. It's probably the hardest part, is edging it up. And I'll tell you something else once I finish this one. Take your time, just trying to find that edge. You need to go right to the edge. And keep picking it up till you're happy. And I'm never happy really. It needs to go up higher, and you'll probably be picking this up a few times to get it right. Oh shit, look. Let's go a little bit slower. Probably Tobias will see this and go, gosh, you ain't doing that right. I probably ain't. I'm going to take that off like that. Short. I think I finally got the edge. Just going around it with my finger. Make sure all the bubbles are out. Yeah. It took ages to get around that edge. It's a hard edge to follow. I don't think the wheels are perfect, to be honest. And I've got to use the heat gun now. So I'm just trying to prepare this to go down here and then get the air gun. Just get on that rim. Right, I've been working on the edge and this. Getting it right round and pushing it. You see there's still some creases in it, so I'm trying to get them out. Then just going to bend this over. Like that, get it in position, air out of it. That edge is the hardest, put that edge on. You can see me working on it. Right. Oh, there you go. I'm walking around it. You don't have to walk around it. You can spin it around, but can you see? Up, as the thing starts drying. Right, let's get some more heat on it. More. There it is. Keep working it. That's coming out now. That's it. Right. Yeah. Yeah. Oh shit. There it is. it. Look at that. Keep working on it. Wrinkle on that one. Right, I finally got hold of it. I'm going to make a confession here though, and if Tobias is watching in Sweden, who obviously supplied me the graphics, I've done a cardinal sin. I did put the sheets out, which it says front left, right left, and I put them on the wrong side. I don't know if that makes a difference. I didn't mean to. I just picked it up thinking right was left, left was right, and yeah, I made a mistake. So read the packaging when you do it. I thought I could make a complete cock up. It would not work at all, but I got away with it. And maybe they do go on the right ways, you know. There must be like a measurement for both sides. How they're made, I don't know. But that's the result of that particular, that's the back. But you see me putting it on and you see that, but the hardest bit, and I'll turn this over. The hardest bit is the edging. Is getting that edge. Getting that edge straight to come round there and get it in. Once you've got that edge lined up, it does take a bit of time, a lot of lifting involved. And I must admit, that was the hardest part. Getting it down, another thing, you've got to work pretty quick. You do get air bubbles if you don't watch out. So be warned. The first one was a bit frightening, I must admit. I think, oh God, I've only got one shot of this. You know, people make it look easy, but like I say, it's my first time doing the whole graphics, and I found that harder than the two-piece one because you really got to be on the ball on this one. But I've done it, and I think it looks stunning. And I've got to admit, his graphics, and this is not because I don't work for the firm, his graphics, the quality is really good on them, and the adhesive on them is very, you know, you can keep on touching it without some of this stuff you get from some countries. I'm going to say, I won't mention any countries, but I mean, by you touch them, once you put your hands and that oil goes out of your skin, because I wash my hands quite a bit, the stickiness goes off the graphics. And I've had that quite a few times where I had to use carpet glue. You should be using that on graphics to hold them down, because you know it's because they're cheap, I suppose, and you pay for what you get at the end of the day. So far, I'm quite pleased with this because this is going back on my bike. This will look stunning. The graphics will. If you see my bike on YouTube, you'll see the graphics on it. You know, you have to go back. Well, go on there, you'll see them anyway. See the bike. Anyway, that's the putting it on the rim using a heat gun. And I know I didn't talk too much on there. I was working like a good, and you know, really concentrating on it. But I'm really pleased how it's come out. I'll show you the front when I've done, but I'm going to show you the same process because that gets a bit boring. But it's the edge. The edge is the key. Get the edge in, and then go around with the, I use a hairdryer because I can't find my heat gun. So a heat gun would be better because it supplies, but don't get it too near, because a heat gun will melt these graphics, you know, and you just go whoosh, whoosh, just go around a few times. You know, you don't want too much on the heat gun because, you know, especially have it on medium setting, obviously. On the hairdryer, have it hot setting, which I did on 2, and yeah, it's done the job. But like I say, I use the hairdryer because I didn't have the heat gun. I don't know where it's gone. I looked in the shed, not there. But anyway, there you go. That's on. Right, I fitted the front one. Again, it's the edge. You've got to persevere with that edge. Keep lifting, as you see on the first video. But I'll put the right side on the right side this time. And if you're going to line them up, this is what I do. Other people might have other ideas. Where am I? There's my valve. Go around to the valve. Oh, here's the valve. I put the Yoshimura here, the 3. that's where I want it to line up on the 3. So I can do it the other side, and that's graphics going that side and graphics going that side, but each to their own. So I'm going to say that's wrong, I don't know, but that's the way I'll do it. I just wanted the point of the valve. That's where I'm going to start. Use the valve as a guide. Right, I'm going to get the heat gun out and do this one, and I'll come back. Right, got it all lined up now. Let's put the heat on it. Spin it this time, rather than walk around it. Then we didn't have a cloth underneath it last time, so you get more heat on this, it's going to be a bit hard. Like that. Just seen it. Mistake. That's it. That's outside done. Just take it off. All done on that one. And that's the right side. Now I think the ones I've done at the rear, I think if I'd done them around the right way, I think they would have met the crease. So I do apologise for anybody out there. Don't follow that, mate. See, look at the right. When you get one of these stickers, just look at it. I picked it up thinking it was the right hand one, and I put the left hand one on. And it's crucial that you put it around the right way, because I think that they will meet up with the creases, and that's why you got right and you got right and left. But I got away with it. I don't think you'll notice anyway. But just goes to show you, I'm just telling you, you can make a cock up, simple as that. But anyway, that's it for the video. Hope you enjoyed yourself. There's plenty more videos on here to watch. There's music videos, which I've shot live concerts, and like Craig David, Level 42 ABC, Tony Hadley out of Spandau Ballet. Watch some of those. What else we got on there? Go West. Yes. I said ABC, didn't I? Go West. Who else we got? There's Johnny Rotten on there as well from Peel. Live, so tune into all that. There's other features on here as well to tune into, but I hope you enjoyed that. I'm going to put the bike at the end of this video, and I might be waffling on a bit about the Gen 3, but just to show you the graphics on the bike as well. I hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching. I'm sorry about the cock up that happened in the video, but it wouldn't be a video if we didn't make mistakes with it. So it was just a genuine mistake. I took it off of there thinking it was right, and I must have moved it somehow, and ended up with that. Anyway, that's the stickers that I'm putting on, all the graphics on this bike, on the 17-inch wheel Hayabusa front. So that's the front. You've seen the back, and I hope that explains everything. If you feel a bit anxious, but like I said, get the edge right. Like I say, I'm expecting a reply back from Tobias over Sweden, just to say, yeah, you cocked up there on that real one. But I think I might have got away with it. I'll see what he says. It's just a genuine mistake. It was my first time, and I'm probably thinking a bit too far ahead, you know, what I was doing. But anyway, that's how you fit them. If I can do it, I'm sure you can. Just be a bit patient, and it can be a little bit daunting, you know what I mean. But you just take your time, get the air out of them, because you do get a bit of air in some of these. Just keep squeezing it out, and keep going over with the air gun. Just make sure they stick on nice and tight. Hope you enjoyed the video, and tune in for another one. 777 Rough Driver production. Hope you enjoyed it. Good day to you, and good night to you, wherever you are. Thank you very much. Right, it's the finished article now. That's the front one. Come out. It's actually got the seamless one, and here's my cock up one. I put the wrong graphics on the wrong side, just by sheer mistake. You know, just not thinking. Just thought I had the right for the right, and I thought I had the left for the left. And once I put that right on, I realised, and it was too late. So I think where the right and the left, I'm sure that marries up to there. I could be wrong, but Tobias, if he's watching the video, could leave a comment and tell me what I've done. But anyway, it still looks nice. It's still coming out. It's still going on the bike. I don't give a shit, realise. But yeah, good graphics. It was hard going. My first time on the full set of graphics, you know. No two-piece. So that was definitely a different one. But I've done it, so it is possible to do it. But if you're not confident in doing this, or you ain't got that eye, then I'll suggest that you get a friend or take it to a dealership. It's going to cost, but if you want it perfection, you're going to have it done. Even me, I didn't perfect it properly, so this is not a success video. I would say it's what could go wrong if you don't just switch off, which I did. So, but I put my hands up. So this is a video of it. Still come out well though, you know. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. There's a little bit of my bike on the end of this video as well, so shows you the graphics on it, what I'm trying to aim for. Thanks for watching, and please tune in again, and I hope you enjoyed the fitment, and please come again. Here's my bike after it's been redone. It was completely white, and now it's got the rising sun on it and the Yoshi stickers and the wheel graphics. If you've seen the other videos on the YouTube, the wheel graphics have been put on. It's got heated grips, Yoshi pipes. Yeah, it looks really nice, I think. I haven't drove the new Gen 3, but I know it's got a smaller tank, and I heard the top end is not as much as the Gen 2, but I don't know, you know, I won't turn it down for a spin, but I'm quite happy with what I got at this present time.